Hello Internet! Today we have a super mega massive 3060 from PNY that comes with no back cover from factory, and today we're going to find out why back covers are important, as well as what we can do about it if we don't have one. In comparison to a 100 years old 1080 Ti, this 3060 is... Come on, it's a 3060. It's got 12 gigs of RAM, and let's see what's wrong with this monster. I'll check for resistances real quick to make sure that there are no shorts anywhere, and all I was able to find is this hair. Not sure if this hair caused the damage, but only time will tell, so let's power it on and see if anything blows up. Nothing blew up. Maybe because instead of 5 volt we have 0.5 volt. My guess is something's wrong with the detonator. I'll take a look at the board with the thermal camera. Maybe something is getting hot. But I find absolutely nothing at all, so all hope is lost. Thank you for watching this video. Please comment below and I'll see you in the next one. Okay, so we all know about the VCC and the enable pins, so let's have a look at those first. Looks like 5 volt on VCC and 2.6 on the enable, but power good pin is low, and that's a good indication that the buck converter needs to be replaced. So let's replace it and see if it helps. To make my job easier, I'll be using these motherboard standoffs. They work really well. Highly recommended. Chip is replaced. I'll quickly check for any shorts and power the card. Okay, we have 5 volt, which means we have 1.8 core memory and PEX. Great, easiest repair ever. So let's clean this thing up, replace old pads, and let's boot up and see if we get a picture. No picture. Thank you for watching this video. Please comment below and I'll see you in the next one. Linux says PCI device not found. Is that a new symptom or an old one? I don't know, so let's take it apart one more time and see what's going on. My first suspect is PEX reset logic, which is tested while the card is connected to the PC. And as you can see, the card is detected and does seem to work, so what's the problem? I have a feeling we're losing 5 volt. I have it now, and then I don't. So it's kind of weird. At first, I thought to myself, maybe we have a loose shunt resistor, so I refloat those, just in case, and that produced no result. And as you can see, still no 5 volt. I tried twisting, bending, and pressing just to realize that I had the wrong cable plugged in. And after using the correct cable, 5 volt is there, and we have a fix. Good job everyone. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you in the next video. Not so fast. For whatever reason, this card decided to ruin my day by not giving me 5 volt shortly after. So next thing to do is what should have been done to begin with. That is to do a visual inspection, which revealed several knocked off components which magically happened to be part of the 5 volt circuit. Armed with both Old and the New Testament from Chinese Electronic Factory Code of Honor and Respect, which you can only get if you earn it, I will go through the pages to find the missing piece of our puzzle. Looks like CAP's Tuntilations 312 has what we need, so let's solder it on and see if it helps. Still nothing. As I was reflowing the area, thinking that maybe something was cracked or partially knocked off the board, I noticed a leftover piece from what I believe was a capacitor. And if we look really close, you can see that the piece is still there, stuck on the board. So let's solder this cap on and see if that helps. The resistor on the right also seemed like it was damaged, so I'll get that replaced too. And after a long day, maybe now we'll get lucky and get this thing to work. And I think it does. We now have consistent 5 volt instead of 5.8. Bending, twisting, and pushing the cord has no effect, so I think it's a fix. And I'm gonna go put into the memory test real quick, just to make sure that everything is clean, and then go straight into the Windows for a stress test. Temperatures are a little rough, and no wonder. Pads turned out to be too thick, so I will make them thinner using my pad pressing device and try again. And with that done, we dropped about 10 degrees. Now you may be wondering, since the damage was caused due to lack of a backplate, what can you do if your card simply does not come with one? You make one yourself, using your favorite 3D modeling software. Then slice it using your favorite slicer, and print it using your favorite printer. This is version 1.0, and this is version 2.0. Thank you for watching this video. Please comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.